Hello traders, in today's video I'm coming to talk about strategy, how you can literally create a strategy and then the psychology behind a strategy or an edge, right? You know, it's very simple. First of all, if you want to create a strategy to your trading, either you are a day trader or you are a swing trader. So in swing trading or day trading, the only thing that differs is the time frame. So if literally you want to be you want to be a day trader, you literally going to be focusing on the lower time frame, 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minute time frame, right? And if you want to be a swing trader, literally you're gonna be focusing on the higher time frame, like weekly time frame, daily time frame, and then 4H time frame, right? So to 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 build a strategy based on the type of trader you are or the type of trader you want to be, that is, you want to build the strategy based on the time frames. So first of all, let's go to a day trader. If you want to be a day trader, I'm a day trader. If you want to be a day trader, you're gonna build your strategy based on your day trading. You're gonna make sure that you look at the 4 hour time frame as maybe a high time frame, or you can use the 1 hour as your high time frame. You understand? So it depends on you. So you can use the 4H as your high time frame, the 1 hour as your mid time frame, and then the 15 minutes as your entering time frame. Or you can also use the 1 hour as your high time frame, the 15 minutes as your mid time frame, and then the 5 minutes as your entering time frame, or the 1 minute as your entering time frame. It all depends on you, right? So how do you now gonna build a strategy towards it? Let me give you one example. For example, if Camilo always take coffee before going to bed, right? So maybe every day, if I wanna go to bed, that is in the evening, I always take coffee, right? If you are closer to me, you get to know that I always take coffee before I go to bed, right? So you can, if you study me this and see that I do this consistently, right? Then maybe you and somebody has a bet. Maybe you tell somebody that I can't always take coffee before going to bed. Then the person say no. So you're gonna bet on me that today or tomorrow Akamilo is going to take coffee before going to bed. How do you get to know that I take coffee before going to bed? It's because I do this consistently, and then you always observe. You always observe me. You always observe that whenever Akamilo is going to bed, Akamilo take coffee, right? So that's how you build up a trading strategy. That's the same way you build up a trading strategy. Immediately, remember, whenever I'm going to bed, it's a time. You understand? It's a time. The when is it or it's a time. So if you're gonna build a strategy, you now get to know the time that you're gonna build your strategy towards it. So maybe if you are trading supply and demand, or resistance and support. So immediate price is going to a particular, is trading upward and then going to a resistance level. You get to know that, okay, since price got to the resistance level, I need to see a bearish engulfing candle before I can take a trade. So anytime price got into a resistance level, it always gives an engulfing candle, a rejection and an engulfing candle before it sells down again. Anytime price does that, that's how it means. And anytime price got into a level of demand or a support level, it always gives a bullish engulfing candle before it takes the buy. And you know that, okay, this is the market that respect this particular approach. Maybe it's a gold market, it's a GBP USD market, and Euro USD market that literally respect this particular approach. So you're gonna make sure that anytime you are going to trade, maybe this thing is working on gold, right? So you're gonna make sure that anytime you are going to trade, you draw your support and demand level, or you draw your resistance and supply level, your resistance and support, or your demand and supply level, and then you wait to see price get into that particular levels. First, that is when price got to that level. The second is you seeing a rejection candle and a bullish or a bearish engulfing candle before you can enter. That's how you build a strategy, and you keep on repeating this. Remember when I was saying, I may mention something like observation. That means that you need to be back testing that particular approach. You need to make sure that it have worked previously. You have, since you back tested, since you are watching it, it's been what? It's been working, right? It's been working, and then this keep repeating itself consistently. So and that's when you now use it as your edge. So before you can now bet on it, or you can now predict to enter your market on it, you already have a concrete information about what price did when price got to what, to a level of supply or demand, or when price got to a resistance or what, or a support level. So that's how you build your edge. So as I said, if you are a day trader, you'll be building it on based on what, on the daily trading time frame. That's 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes or 5 minute time frame. And if you are a swing trader, you repeat this and you make sure that you see this thing happen in a swing perspective, in a swing way. You see this thing happening in the high time frame. If you're a day trader, you make sure that you see this thing happening in the lower time frame. Then you can now use this to be your strategy or to be your edge before you can take trade on it. So that is how you create or you build up your strategy. Very simple and easy. Make sure observation is very key. You backtest to see whether it is literally working. So guys, I'm a Forex logging out.